Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a workspace that fits your goal. Open Paint 3D and pick new, then set canvas dimensions. 1920 by 1080 is a good start. Once done, decide if you need a transparent background. Make sure the canvas toggle is set correctly. Now choose your primary tool, brushes for sketches, 2D shapes for layout, or 3D objects if you want depth. Prepare basic colors on the palette and save a duplicate file before heavy edits so you can always revert. You now construct the image by blocking in shapes and refining edges. Start with 2D shapes to map major elements, then lock them so they stay put while you work. Once the layout is set, switch to brushes, try marker for outlines and watercolor for soft fills. Change brush size and opacity between 10 and 50% to control texture. If you want depth, insert 3D objects and tweak rotation and depth. Use Magic Select to isolate subjects and paste them as separate elements for easier editing. You reach the final polish stage. Smooth lines, clean edges, and arrange layers for readability. Use the Eraser and Smooth tool to tidy strokes, then group related elements so you can move them together. Apply lighting and stickers, check the 3D view to ensure shadows and angles read correctly, and then export as PNG or JPEG. Make sure to also save a 3MF file if you want to edit later. If colors shift, check Canvas color mode and re-export with sRGB or adjust contrast until consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.